Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how I style this bone straight wig, taking it from this which you see here to this which you see right here. If you want to see how you can style your bone straight wig, please keep on watching. Let's get into the video. The first thing I did was to spray my heat protectant spray on the closure area and use my hot comb to hot comb it. But you could skip this step and just go straight into styling it before styling the closure area. So what I'm doing now is a section of the upper part of this wig, and then I'm going to clip it away and start working on the bottom part of this hair. I'm going to apply my Moroccan Argan Root oil from Mania Organics. Put a small quantity on my palm, massage it together and apply generally. Then next I'm going to spray my heat protectant spray from Delofil. It's the Argan Oil Protein Magic Complex. Then I brush through the hair. Next what I'm going to do is to use a smaller comb to comb through the hair, but I'm just trying to ensure that I spread all the remaining moisturizer on my palm all over the hair. Next I'm using my Cloud9 hair straightener on the highest heat, which is 230 degrees Celsius or 230 degrees Celsius. I cut the hair in small sections and walked in very small section. I'm walking in a very small section. I took this part of the hair and I grabbed my hair straightener and started to pull through the hair from the top of the hair to the very tip of the hair. After working on that one section of hair, I move over to the next section. I comb through the hair and then I use my hair straightener to walk through the hair from the top all the way to the bottom part of the hair to get it to be as straight as it possibly can be. I move over to another section of the hair and keep on straightening the hair until I'm pleased with how the hair looks. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads from our YouTube channel. Yes, so after I finished straightening the bottom part of this hair, I went back to the hair that I clipped away on top and got like 2 layers of the weft that was sewn down on the wig cap, and then clip the rest of the hair away. What I'm going to do now is to reapply the Moroccan Argan Oil serum on this section of the hair that is yet to be styled. And after applying the Moroccan Argan Oil serum on one side of the hair, I'm going to go over to the other side and apply the moisturizer all over the hair. And take note, it's the same moisturizer. And then I sprayed my heat protectant spray, comb through the hair, and I'm going to start straightening the hair in small sections. So I comb through the hair and use my Cloud9 hair straightener to straighten the hair. Take note, the Cloud9 hair straightener is only 230 degrees Celsius. So if you have a different hair straightener, just put it on a 230 degrees Celsius if you're working on hair that is actually human hair. But if you're working on hair that is not human hair and it's probably like a synthetic wig or fiber wig or hair blend, you'd want to work with heat that is lower than 230 degrees Celsius. You probably want to work with heat that is around 180 degrees Celsius, just to ensure that you don't have the hair burning or becoming squeezed. If it doesn't give you the desired look that you want, you can then increase the heat to, let's say, a 200 degrees Celsius, and you just keep on styling the wig and advancing all the way up. If you're watching this video and you haven't bought any of my books, that's the ebook How to Start Your Hair Business book, or the hair extensions and how to test this quality, please click on the link in the description box. You're going to see my website there with a link to purchase these ebooks. They are very affordable, just 5,000 naira, 7,000 naira, which is literally less than $10. So click those links to buy these ebooks. They're really going to help you understand the business of selling hair and understand more and more about the hair industry and how to thrive in any business that you do. And also, you could join my Telegram community. It's going to be where I get to share more in-depth information on how to color your wigs, how to make a wig. If you need that support, let's say you're going through a challenging time in your business, that Telegram group is literally going to be that community where we get to really nourish each other with all the informations that we need to thrive in the hair business. I'm going to share with you vendors that I use to get my products for styling wigs, for coloring wigs, even my products for various any vendors that I have available that you need. I would make it available on that platform for those that paid for to join the platform. So it just depends. There's some information that I might not make available there that you probably need to pay an extra for. But just join the Telegram platform. It's going to be active from next year. Yes. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for always watching my videos here on YouTube. Thank you for sharing the videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for everything that you do to engage with the community here by leaving a comment in this video or other videos. I just want to say thank you so much for always being there. So you could see that I'm literally done with one side of the wig right now. Working on the last section of the hair here. So I come through it and I'm going to use the Cloud9 straightener to straighten it from the roots of the hair all the way to the middle part and then to the tip of the hair. And I'm going to keep on using this straightener until I'm pleased with the flatness of the hair and the straightness of the hair. Next, I applied my hair wax and I'm using my hot comb to flatten the hair on this side of the hair because I want to ensure that there are no flyaway hairs and the hair is just straight and smooth. I use the hot comb to just comb through the hair from the top all the way to the bottom part, and I flipped it over to the other side of the wig just to show you the areas that still need to be worked on. So I cut out the section of the hair, and what I'm going to do now is to start the process of styling it. So I come through it, and what I'm going to do next is use my Cloud9 hair straightener to straighten it from the top all the way to the tip of the hair. And I'm going to keep on straightening the hair until it's very straight, and then move over to take another section of the hair and repeat the same process. If you're going to be styling wigs, it is stressful. It takes a lot of time. You will style one wig and feel very exhausted, especially when you're working with wigs that are long. Anything that has passed 14-inch, it starts to get more and more stressful. 10-inch wig, 8-inch wig, 12-inch, 14, okay, yeah, not too stressful. But once you start getting towards 16, 18, 20, 24, it's a lot of work. All the hand movements, your shoulders start to hurt you. You have to be very patient with this process, girl. So just try as much as possible to endure. If it's something you're doing for business, just endure. You have to just get used to the stress. If it's something you're doing for yourself, just endure because you're not willing to pay somebody else to do it. So just follow the steps. At least when you see what it's like to get your wig to look as nice as you want it to be, you get to appreciate people that do it for you, to realize that they go through so much to style your wigs for you, because man, these things are not easy. So after I finished straightening the entire hair, I put a little bit of the Moroccan Argan Oil serum on my palm. Then I applied it all over the hair from the top part where the closure area is to the rest of the hair. Then I'm just combing through the hair now, and what I'm going to do next is just to ensure that I make sure the hair is laying as flat as it should. So I'm using my hot comb now to just comb through the hair, especially the hair around the closure area, to ensure that it's going in the direction that it needs to go and it looks as flat and neat as it should. Yes. So guys, we are almost done with this video. I just want to say thank you so much for always watching my videos again. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for buying my books. Thank you so much. Thank you for buying wigs from me. Thank you so much. I just want to say thank you. This is how you can style your bone straight wigs to be as straight as it should. This is how I took this wig from looking like this mess right here to the beauty that you just saw earlier. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love.